guys, today we're doing another video. Oh, that's yours. This one's yours. One's mine.
Sorry.
Oh God. Oh wait. Did I just give? Yeah, that's yours. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys.
Shall we open our slime?
I'm so sorry about this one. Yeah. So we've got slime.
And I've already got mine out first. You know.
It's hard to open. Jeez. Yeah, we've just got slime. We've been trying to make slime. We made ingredients with toothpaste, what was it? Toothpaste, washing up liquid, and salt. That did not work at all. We had to freeze it for 1 hour, but we froze it for 2.5 days.
Yeah.
And that didn't work either, so we just
Maybe.
so then we got flour. We all found these like ingredients off the internet, by the way. Yeah, so we got flour, water, and oil. That didn't really work either. Yeah, so we just thought we were gonna buy some slime.
Yeah,
And
because it's more better without making it. So we didn't really do it.
Oh no, it's upside down. No. It's Ghostbusters though.
Yeah, it's Ghostbusters.
There's no way of showing you properly. What happens if I did it upside down? Yeah, it's Ghostbusters slime. And if you want us
to get this slime, we would just get more.
And guys, if you want us, I shouldn't have done that really. If you want you to see like me and Connie playing on the Xbox One, like games, like 2-player obviously.
Yeah.
Then tell me in the comments below in this video. Actually, I have an idea. I'm gonna show you all my Xbox One games.
Yeah.
I do have Xbox 360, but there's way too much. Can you hold the camera, please?
Yes.
Yes, like that. Right, so I'm gonna go and get them right now.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, they're there. I keep getting next to mine.
No.
Come on then.
Hi.
Have the camera.
There we go. On my noodles.
Connie's having no noodles. Great. So first game we got WWE 2K17. Next one FIFA 17. Next one Rocket League. That's a sick game.
Yeah.
That's what.
And that's too.
No, we're probably not going to play this. Dead Rising 4. That's not 2-player. That we can't play. That's not 2-player. And that we could play that, but no. I mean. If you want us, vote in the comments below in this video, and we will do that right for you. So yeah, Connie, can you put these? And also we do have Slime Rancher as well downloaded onto the Xbox.
Yes.
Even though that isn't 2-player, I wish it was. That'd be sick. So if anybody who works at Slime Rancher, make 2-player on it. That'd be good. That'd be really, really good. If any of you are watching, even though you're probably not, but please, if you are watching, make a 2-player. Everybody wants it, you know.
Yeah.
There you go. Can you put those back, please?
Yep.
Please don't drop them.
Oh, they're in a lovely pile.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next vid and hey. Yeah.